Hi, welcome to What Box. What Box is a channel that is about thinking outside the box without a box. So, an even greater expansion of the mind when we don't even include the theory of a box. Today I want to show you how to get papers individually from a stack. So if you have a stack of papers, like I have these cut index cards, and I want to grab 4 at a time, what I would do is stack them nice and straight and neat like this, and then I'm going to bend them gently without creasing back on the left, forward on the right, back on the left, forward on the right, back on the left, forward on the right. And you can see how this is beginning to inch them away from each other, like just scoot them away from each other. So as you see now, it's getting easier and easier to separate them. So now when I want to get 4 of a particular, like if I want a stack of 4, because say I'm going to punch these, make holes for notebook in it, and it can only do 4 at a time, I'm just going to take these 4 and stack them and set them aside. And then I'm going to take the next 4. See how easy it is to grab them now? Stack them. And when I stack it, I'm going to layer it. See? So it will be layered. And take the next 4 and stack them in a layered, staggered pile. And just take the next 4 and stack them again. And keep doing that till I get through the pile. And what this will enable me to do is I will be able to just, quickly grab one of these stacks and punch it. You can do this with any kind of stacked paper, cardstock. It could even be done with fabric. But I just wanted to give you an easy way of how to grab a few at a time so that you could stack your, pile and I can now go to my punch and I can grab a stack fast. This gets me through it very quickly instead of having one flat pile and having to sit there each time I want to punch and kind of try to separate 4 out of them, and accidentally get 5 or accidentally get 3. So this way, if you space them this way by bending forward on the left, backward on the right, forward on the left, backward on the right, and keep doing it until they are stretched apart enough that you can see their number, like you can see them individually. And that will allow you to be able to just, I'm going to flip them over because I'm kind of left-brained, especially when I do it this way. I like to pull them from the bottom instead of the top. But then you can just easily take your 4, close them back up, and set them aside. Take your 4, or however many, you want 5 or 6, you can do that too. It just makes it really, really easy. I hope this has helped you and hasn't been too long and drawn out for you. Thank you for visiting. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to. I'm trying to build my channel and I'm trying to provide truly valuable content so that I'm not something that is already out there and at least not in abundance anyway. And definitely get right to the point and not waste your time. I hope that you have a good day.